If you're seeing Epic Games error code 2738, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step, quickly and safely. This issue is usually tied to a Windows scripting or registry problem. And the good news is that it can often be solved with a couple of simple command prompt commands. So if the Epic Games installer is failing and you keep getting that 2738 error, stay with me and follow along carefully. And before we jump in, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get into the first step. Open the command prompt as administrator. To do that, click the Start menu, type command prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes so you can make system-level repairs. Now, in the elevated command prompt window, type this command exactly as shown, regsvr32 Vbscript.dll. Then press Enter. What this command does is re-register the Vbscript library that Windows and some installers rely on. After a moment, you should see a small pop-up message saying that DLL register server in Vbscript.dll succeeded. Once that message appears, click OK. After that, try running the Epic Games installation file again and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, this alone can solve the problem, but if the installer still isn't working, continue with the next repair step. Open the command prompt as administrator, again if it was closed. Once more, make sure you have the elevated version so the repair command can actually run properly. Now type the following command and press Enter. SFC Scannow. This is the system file checker tool, and it scans Windows for corrupted or missing system files and repairs them automatically. Depending on your system, this can take a few minutes, so let it finish completely. Don't close the window early and don't interrupt the scan while it's running. Once the verification process is complete, run one final command to reinforce the fix. Type regsvr32 Vbscript.dll one more time and press Enter. This final registration helps seal the registry loop and make sure the Vbscript component is properly registered again after the system file repair. When you see the success message, click OK, then restart your computer if needed. After rebooting, go back and launch the Epic Games installation file again. At this point, the 2738 error should be resolved, and the installer should continue normally. If this fix worked for you, let me know in the comments. And if you want more easy Windows and gaming software troubleshooting guides, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.